Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy. Today Aaron and I are going to go to the grocery store, get a lot of groceries because this is like a restock on everything type of video. What else was I going to tell y'all? I've already got my list started, so I don't always write out a list, but anytime we need to get a lot of things, I'll write stuff down or else I'm going to forget. So I've got my notebook out. I've been writing things. I'm going to just quickly look through the cabinets, the fridge, and the freezer. Move some things around. That way when we bring the groceries in, everything is just easily able to put back where we want to put it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get everything kind of cleaned out so we can go to the grocery store.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever.
Alright y'all, I did ask on YouTube, on my community tab, what are some recipes y'all would like to see, and I got a few, so I'm just going to go back and check to see if there's anything else that we would be interested in. But I saw one for Marry Me chicken, so I've got that here. I need everything for that. Loaded nachos, I would need everything for that. Spaghetti, we didn't eat on our meals for last time, so I put we just need the hamburger meat for that, and like garlic bread. Actually put garlic bread. Okay, my handwriting is terrible. I have a whole chicken thawing out right now in the refrigerator, so that's probably what I'll cook tomorrow. We still have ribs, so I'm gonna get some barbecue sauce, BBQ sauce, and we're gonna have pizza tonight. We still have another half a pack of bacon.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get tomato and lettuce because we have some bread, so we need to do that. I'm gonna get some baking treats, things to make stuff with. Okay, let's see what else is on here. Someone said ribs, white chicken chili, oh, somebody said that they put taco meat on their baked potato. That's interesting. Okay, so that's all that's there. Trying to think about how many meals is this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I'm also going to write some things on here that we need. Should I turn this down so y'all can actually see what I'm writing? You still can't really see what I'm writing, but I'll tell you. Okay, so I also need trash bags, and we need maybe some drinks. I need cat litter. Chloe's dog food is okay. The girls' cat food is still okay for right now. Oh, baby wipes. I need some Aleve because we are out. Okay, so that's what I've got for now. I'll pop up on the screen the meal plan also, just so y'all can get a visual of that. And we're gonna go to the grocery store to get all these things. Back from the grocery store, we're gonna show you what we got. Got 2 things of garlic bread. Y'all, I just took my glasses off and now I can't see. 2 things of garlic bread. One is for, well actually half would be for like spaghetti. Another half is going to be for the Marry Me chicken. And then we'll have another one for just whatever we want to use it for. Grabbed this middle graham style crust. I am going to make a cherry cheesecake using this and I'll do it in the video, using this cheesecake jello. And then I grabbed some cherry pie filling / topping right there. Okie dokie. Some lettuce for BLTs and the nachos. Got some of these. They look super cute. They're the like frosted brownies. So I think they're like cosmic brownies, but with the icing. And I love a cosmic brownie. Okay, so for the Mary Me chicken, it called for thyme, basil, and oh, I don't really like that color. I should have looked at it better. Oh wait, that's oregano. I think oregano does have some purple in it. Y'all just let me know if this is good and I'll use it. Okay, it also called for sun-dried tomatoes, so I got those. Got some shredded cheese for nachos. Got some barbecue sauce, the honey barbecue sauce for ribs. Then I got this minced garlic. It called for garlic for that Marry Me recipe, so grab that. That is an expensive recipe, y'all. I was telling her, like, whoa, there's a lot of stuff unless you have it at home anyway. I got some tomatoes for BLTs. I got the chicken thighs for it. It does call for chicken breast, but I like chicken thighs for the chicken. I'm going to put it in the crock pot too. Got some butter because it also called for that. I don't remember how much heavy whipping cream it called for, so I just got this one. The Doritos were buy one get one free, and at our store if you buy one you get half off, so we just grabbed one for the nachos. Got some tall trash bags. Got the girls multi-cat kitty litter. That's the one I've liked the best. I've tried them all in the Armor & Hammer brand, and I like the multi-cat one better than even the most expensive one, which has like the black on it, the logo, but I like that multi-cat better. Aleve. Okay, you already saw the jello. Aaron grabbed these donuts. He's already eaten one because we have not eaten anything today. We are both hungry. I'm about to put a pizza in the oven. Okay, these were 2 for $4, so we grabbed some small ones and then some larger ones. Got some green chilies to top on the nachos. Gourmet nacho cheddar cheese. Let me know if y'all have tried this, if you like it. This tomatoes, they finally have it at Food Line. We normally have to go to Walmart to get this. We got it in the hot. It's really good. I also got some black olive slices for the nachos. Y'all already saw the cherry stuff. Some taco seasoning. Got some forks and spoons. I said that backwards. The Marry Me chicken also calls for chicken stock, so grab some of that. Got some ranch. I like to dip it with my pizza. They have a new like classic version. It's basically thin crust. So excited for it. That's what we're gonna have tonight. And then Supreme, possibly have that later tonight. That's what we do. Anyways, and then we got a big thing of wings. I don't know if I said that. And then I saw Aaron Williams on Instagram talk about this L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner for like damage, and I do have damaged hair, so if she thinks it's good, I'm gonna believe her and I'm gonna try it out myself, and I will let y'all know if it's worth $8.99 a bottle. They are big bottles. They're like 25 ounces, but still. Alright, so I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven real quick, and then while that's cooking, I'm getting all this put away.
So you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. get on myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll
I was laughing as I was, I hope my hair wasn't like that the whole time at the grocery store. I was laughing as I was putting stuff away, because used to I would try to make things look like really aesthetic and stuff, when in reality, I'm not taking the cans out of the box to put them in the fridge. They're going to stay in the box, and I'm going to take that little thing off the front. Anyways, and then like, these are just here. They don't have anywhere to go, so. But it's okay because we're gonna eat them. Alright y'all, our pizza's done. This is what's for dinner tonight. Don't forget, I'll leave that PNG down below if y'all want to copy it and write down your weekly meal plan. And I will see y'all back here tomorrow for a new video. Bye.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love